Hello, I guess this is the July 31st update for my garden this year. Based on what I've seen, it looks like the squash vines are starting to decline due to squash vine borer damage. I saw my first signs of powdery mildew on the squash vines. I have only 2 Mondon squash developing on this vine, so I have no idea what to expect. And only now has the Montana Jack squash or pumpkin finally developed a female flower bud. I'm hoping next week I can pollinate it. The flower is right here, and it should swell up in about a few days. I'll show you the rest. Cherokee cornfield beans are winding up the sunflower stalks, if you can see closely. So that's good news. Although, if you look at the other ones over underneath the other corn plants, though, they were being devoured completely by bean beetles. I'm not too worried though, because all the other beans are doing fine. Let's see the carrots on schedule. They're almost ready for me to mulch them. Although I'm kind of worried about the early scarlet horn here. I only have a few plants that reach maturity. Due to the nature of the soil right now, it doesn't look like I need a water right now. And it's going to be raining tomorrow, so be careful how much to water. Here is the mustard I showed last week. It is really bolting now. You can go ahead and harvest them. And still show signs of severe flea beetle damage. The mustard I planted a few days ago is finally sprouting. However, it's still not tall enough for me to go ahead and mulch it yet. Keep an eye on the plants. There appear to be alfalfa or some kind of... yeah, that's alfalfa growing in the beds. So, keep an eye on these plants as they grow. Hopefully I get some more mustard. Let's check the other plants. Right here is the mung beans. They're finally doing well, but I still see bean beetle damage, along with the Cherokee cornfield beans have severe damage over here too, along with the other mung beans that were planted. So I don't know if it's a nutrient deficiency or just a severe bean beetle outbreak. Something's going on. I didn't have that happen last year I grew beans. I guess there weren't as many other plants for them to attack as they are this year. And let me go show you the other corn bed with the squash. So I do have Holmes Kusa squash. The Lebanese zucchini is maturing. Now this one, unfortunately, the yellow crookneck, vining crookneck squash has not set fruit at all this year yet. I think it's just bad luck. I might have gotten a bad plant, or it might be stress from squash vine borer damage. And of course, here's the severe bean beetle damage. Looks like cheese now. I don't think I'll be getting any beans from these plants this year. Good thing I planted plenty of extra. Well, that's what's been going on in the garden right now this week. Not much. Well, have a good evening. Signing out.